Greetings everyone, this is Ibrafar with the Black Urban Gardening Society. Today I wanted to get with you guys and do a quick little video on planting beans. Today I'm getting ready to plant some of my beans. I've been soaking them for about 8 hours here. I think the black eyed peas may have got a little bit longer. See some of them starting to sprout already. I think I soaked these for almost 24 hours. But today I'm gonna put these in some pots here, or my little Dixie cup pots that I like to use. And I'm planting black-eyed peas. As you can see, have some purple hull peas. I'm planting these mostly as a seed stock. For next year, I had a bunch of seeds and I think they got thrown away. I can't find them anywhere. But these are purple hull peas. These are a purple pole bean variety. Very productive. The name is escaping me right now. And these are dragon tongue, which is a bush bean variety. Alright. And then I have some of my more favorite beans. You really can't see them here. I'll try to take out a seed for you. Sorry, I'm using my phone here. These are scarlet runner beans. Very ornamental. They put off some beautiful flowers. But also, besides the flowers, you can see this is a nice sized bean. They put off nice beans, which are real good when you dry them for soup. Also, they put off a nice sized bean to eat as green beans. They can get rather large, and when they get real big, they get stringy. So that's something you may want to watch out for. And show you guys here, I normally recycle these toilet paper rolls to plant my beans in. It allows them to get a larger root stock or a more longer root stock, and being that these are biodegradable, you can just put them in the ground, they'll break down, and it doesn't really mess with the the growth of the root system of the plants too much. And so this is what I generally use. Didn't save up enough this year to get the beans planted, so I'll just use what I have, and I'll use these for the largest beans, which are the scarlet runner beans, and then the rest of the beans I'll be planting in my Dixie cups here. And as far as beans, a little info on beans. Basically, you have two major varieties of beans. There are other varieties, but the two major varieties of beans you're going to run into are going to be bush beans or pole beans. And literally how they sound, bush beans, they form in bushes, on little bushes there. The benefit of bush beans is that generally they'll begin to produce earlier and a little bit faster. Pole beans are generally, I've seen, to be more prolific. They're going to put on more beans. They just take a little bit longer to get to where you want them to get to. So I generally plant both varieties. I also plant a lot of bush beans to plant in polyculture formats. The good thing about beans is that beans and most legumes is that they're nitrogen fixing, so they will fix nitrogen into the soil and help to feed the soil and feed other plants surrounding it. So I use bush beans in more of a polyculture type of atmosphere, planting them with other plants, whether it be tomatoes, corn, whatever, as long as there's not another nitrogen fixing plant there. And I'll put the beans, mix them up into bush beans to help that out. So that's a little bit of information there we have on beans there. You can see the flies coming up on them as well. It is definitely that time of year. We're finally getting some nice weather here, so we got some stuff going here. I try to zoom in on it. Got one of my moringa trees planted. I've been nursing them for a few months, and can't see too much there, but that's a bed full of kale and cabbage there. I have the mosquito netting on, but later on I'll try to get a better video of a full garden here. But I just wanted to let you guys see what we were doing. I know I've gotten questions about planting beans, what type of beans to plant. And also, beans do very well with direct sowing. It's just that with my beds, they're all mulched so thickly, I just prefer to start to, most of my plants in these little Dixie cups or in cells and then transplant them. That's just the method that I prefer. But you guys have any questions, feel free to hit me up. Peace.